are you eligible to do CA? That is what we are going to see in this video, right? So to do CA, there are two routes. One is CA foundation route. Second thing is direct entry route. So first we will see CA foundation route, right? So to go through this route, a student should have cleared his +2 exam or PUC or something equivalent to that exam, right? If you pass your PUC or +2, you are eligible for CA foundation level route, right? There's another route which you can choose that is called as direct entry route. For that, you should have cleared your commerce degree with 55% or non-commerce degree with 60%, right? That is the eligibility criteria for direct entry route, right? There are differences between these two, and we are going to see this in detail when we see the video how to do CA, right? So watch how to do CA and we will see the difference between the foundation course route and direct entry route.